Hello and welcome to Watches with a Woman. I'm here today because I get to do a Seiko unboxing of a watch that I just bought, the Seiko SRPD77. Let's go with the nickname Avocado here because I've heard that said and it's quite appropriate. So, and quick shout out to Ziva at the Grand Seiko Boutique in London who helped me get this. And let's get this unboxed because I'm excited. Okay. Comes in this lovely little Seiko box. Da-na-na-na-na. Okay, so it has the instructions and the European guarantee, exciting stuff. And then another box, kind of a cool texture. And, oh, ta-da! Okay, oh this looks awesome. So I haven't actually seen this watch in person yet, so I'm quite excited to actually get hands-on with it. Comes on a little cushion. So this is the Seiko in-house caliber 4R36. It's 42 millimeters in diameter and 13.4 millimeters tall. Pardon me. So let's see how much of this you guys can see. So it's water resistant to 100 meters. I believe it's the SKX replacement that they're coming out with. And it's a steel case with a black hard coating, kind of in between holes here. And there we go. So I wanted this watch because I thought that the case color was so different and the texturing on the dial, look at that, that's a great color. The texturing on the dial is just so unique and the pop of the orangey yellow hand is a great detail on the green dial. So rotating bezel, feels decent, you know, quite smooth, not very clicky. Just got it past the 12, but I think that the minute hand, which looks quite like a sharply drawn arrow with a little tip at the end, is quite a fun detail and mirrors the triangle of the 12 o'clock marker on the dial. I like the rounded hour markers with the 6, 9, and 12 o'clock being slightly different. I have this set right now on the Spanish day, and then it has the date function as well. Those markers being at the 3 o'clock position. I just think it's a really fun watch and something different to be worn. I love the offset crown, which a lot of those Seikos have, and I think it looks great on this green NATO, but can definitely have some fun with that down the line. Something else that I'd like to quickly point out is that it does have a display case back, which is a really great addition on a watch of this price. I'm very happy with it. I think it looks really appropriate. I have a 6-inch wrist. It does, with that NATO, wear a little bit on the tall side, but I think it's overall pretty good. The sides of the case have kind of smooth angles to it. And the texturing on the side of the bezel is quite interesting as well. And while the texturing on the dial is slightly more random, it kind of has the same feeling for it. It's a very outdoor feeling watch. And I'm excited to wear this. I'll get a loom shot up on the screen as well because I'm sure that's great, you know, the Seiko loom. So again, I'm excited to get out there and wear it. I'll be putting some photos over the top of this video so you guys can get some close-ups. Thank you again for watching. I'm going to get out there and enjoy this watch. Have a great day.